In this video I'm going to tell you how to make decals on roblox. So guys, just follow me in this video. And so before starting, if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel Karam, like the video for more video on roblox. Now open any image editor. So we are going to make first image, then we'll upload on roblox to create decals. So first to basically make a decals, let's open first roblox on browser. Just type roblox.com and make sure so first of all click on continue in browser. So just tap on this create option. Now tap on three dots and enable the desktop mode. So since the new update, the guys, this interface has been changed. So to create decals, we have to actually go to this development items, and you can see that here we can see decals. Just tap on it. Now you will see that it will ask you to upload any image or asset. So it also giving the instruction the format of the image like jpg, png, tg and bmp, and the maximum size per file is 20 MB. So make sure the size cannot be exceed 20 MB. So first of all, open any image editor. So I'm gonna open, tap on this add image, or you can tap on this edit image and tap on the background. Now tap on the blank background. So it will ask, it will help us to remove the background. So it will create the image with without background. So now go to this draw option. Now choose the shapes from here, choose the circle shape. So I'm gonna make a emoticon and choose the fill option, choose the color from here yellow, and now let me make here a circle. Now choose the black color, sorry, I have to choose the yellow again. Now I have to choose other brush here from here, or now choose different color, and now I'm gonna make eyes here. Let me choose the brush, this brush, and I have to increase the size of the brush, and I'm gonna make eyes first, and you can make as much as you want. And what can I do more? I'm just making a simple one, so you can make as, so this is my simple one. So just save this image and just save it. Once you save, go to again browser and make sure the decals open here. Now tap on the upload asset. Now tap on upload and tap on the image. So your image will be uploaded without background. Can you see this? Yeah. Now you can enter the name of the decals like emoji, my emoji. Now you can enter the description. It's my emoji. Fine. Now just tap on the upload option. So it will upload the decals on roblox. Now once you create it, guys, now it's time to configure it. So if you want to configure, just tap on three dot. so it won't allow. I think just tap on this or tap on this setting. The item is not currently for sale, so I'm gonna configure it here. Now tap on the distribute for creator marketplace and save the changes. Fine. So that's how you can configure the decals on Roblox. Once you're done with this, guys, so yeah, that's how you can create decals in Roblox. So let me go back. So let me go to the creation again. So yeah, that's how you can do it. If you want to create pants, t-shirts or shirts, you can create on avatar items. On events, you can create events from here. Past or the draft will be events can be found here. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.